Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm taking a look at the Younique Moodstruck Mascara 3D Fiber Lashes by Younique. It's a little bit about this product. It increases average lash volume by 400%. It has rayon fibers to deliver and the uplift that makes the biggest visual difference. The fibers are enhanced with uplift eye serum for healthier lashes, and it's ophthalmologist tested. So something that's really interesting about this product is that it's a dual step process. What you do is you use the transplant gel. I'll show you this. So the transplant gel, which is basically like mascara itself, and you want to use a good amount on your eyelashes and curl them, of course. And then there are these rayon, you can't really see it too well here, but there are rayon fibers. They're little microfibers that stick onto the transplant gel. And you want to put the transplant gel on and get this on as quickly as possible because you want it to still be tacky. And I have used this for about 6 months. It's a little bit more expensive than drugstore mascara, but the results are definitely unique. You have the much crazier length and volume in your lashes. The only thing I don't like is the fallout from the rayon. Sometimes that kind of dusts under your eyes. If I was you, I wouldn't use this on your lower lashes. I would use a waterproof lower lash, and so that it's waterproof and it doesn't smudge. So I love mascara, so I had to get this, and it's a great product. I've always loved mascara. I actually have a magnet on my fridge that says all I need is coffee and mascara, which is pretty true because I love coffee and I love mascara. And I think mascara, having your eyebrows shaped and neat, and mascara and maybe just a little bit of lipstick, you can look totally put together and your face looks fabulous. So like I said, it's a little bit more expensive than drugstore mascara, but it's worth it and it's worth a try. My mom bought one for my sister and she loves it. And I don't know why she didn't buy me one, but she bought my sister one. And I remember my mom always, hypocrite in the car, telling us not to stick sharp objects in our eyes, but she would be putting on her mascara while she was driving us to school at stoplights. So I always thought that was hilarious. But yeah, it's a very unique product. I haven't seen anything like it. I'm sure there's copies now of this, but this was the first one that I saw, and when I saw it and I saw the results, I had to get it myself. So yeah, if you're a mascara fiend like me, try the Younique Moodstruck Mascara 3D Fiber Lashes, and I think they have a couple other versions of them too. If you want to branch out, try some of their other products or other mascaras. And yeah, just a great little piece to add to your beauty arsenal that every girl has. Or if you're a makeup warrior like me, it's definitely a must-have. So like I always say, do not take my word for it. Try it out yourself. I think you will find it very unique, and yeah, I think you'll love the look of your lashes. So give it a try, and thanks so much for watching.